Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hi friends, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel, My Craft World.
Today we are going to learn very tasty and yummy prawns curry.
Please like and subscribe my channel.
Prawns 600 grams marinated by 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 pinch of turmeric powder and rest it for 1 hour. Oil 3 tablespoon. Onion 3 big chopped. 4 big tomato puree. Green chillies 3. Curry leaves. Coriander powder 2 teaspoon. Salt as per taste. Cinnamon 1 inch. Shahjeera or Caraway seeds 2 pinch. Cloves 2. Bay leaves 2. Black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon. Garam Masala powder half teaspoon. Red chilli powder 1 teaspoon. Kashmiri red chilli powder 2 teaspoon. Coriander leaves chopped. Heat the oil in a pan and add whole garam masalas and bay leaves. Add onion and fry it for 5 to 6 minutes until it gets transparent. Add green chillies and fry it for 2 more minutes. Add ginger garlic paste and fry it till the raw smell goes from it. Now add marinated prawns. Fry the prawns along with the onions. Add 3/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and cook for some time. Add some fresh curry leaves to this. Now add puree of 3 big tomatoes to this and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add black pepper powder, coriander powder and mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder and salt to taste. Add 1 cup of water, mix well and let it cook until water evaporates. Frequently mix the gravy to avoid sticking. Add garam masala powder to it and mix it. Finally, add coriander leaves and give a mix. Now the oil is separating from the gravy, so it's time to switch off the flame. Our tasty prawns curry is ready now. It is suitable for chapatis and rice.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for future notifications.